what drew me to USD was the fact of just the culture I thought that I would excel in. So as a student, I was really interested in the smaller class sizes, the smaller campus community, and really feeling a part of something as a university more integrally than a larger university. So the goal of my research is to understand the driving factors of evolution. The frog family that I'm studying is extremely diverse. So what really I like to talk about in the project is I get to understand how one species becomes 600. And the way that I get to do that is really interesting because I get to study biomechanics. What's interesting is that most of these species occupy like the small area of Papua New Guinea. And these frogs are interesting in that they only specialize to these same 5 habitats. Even if they're right next to each other, a frog that lives in a stream would never interact with a frog that lives underground. What we're trying to answer is, understanding this evolution is, how is this adaptation to habitat really driving their evolution? Being able to attend this university, I was able to be a part of a research lab that was more than just, okay, do experiment X, Y, and Z. But really, I was able to be integral to the process and be a part of every part of it, where I could develop, analyze, and really consider and create conclusions. And the smaller university really allowed me to have a research opportunity that will be more beneficial.